Nolathane is built for people who know what a better drive feels like. Trusted by mechanics, chosen by DIY fitters, and relied on by drivers who want more from their vehicle. Engineered to outlast traditional rubber bushings, Nolathane polyurethane bushings are built for durability, control, and confident performance. And it doesn't stop there. Nolathane has a large range of steering and suspension components. The result is improved handling, sharper steering response, and a more connected drive on the road. From professional workshops to home garages. Nolathane makes it easier to upgrade vehicle performance across thousands of vehicle applications. For trade, dealers and distributors, Nolathane delivers a comprehensive range, reliable availability, and the support tools that professionals need to get the job done right. That trust has made Nolathane a go-to suspension upgrade for workshops, enthusiasts and drivers across Australia and beyond. Backed by over 50 years of expertise, Nolathane continues to deliver suspension solutions built for real-world performance. Trusted on the road, proven in workshops, Nolathane.